Hi guys, Raj here from Trading College. Just giving you a quick idea of what's going on in the markets over the last couple of weeks and whatnot. And I'm going to start with the equity markets in the S&P 500. So obviously we're coming off the back of this really kind of long-term downtrend on the daily chart. You can see our storytellers kind of rolling over into the red, and we got a red PTS on the way down. Now this obviously is off the back of a good move higher. So since, I suppose, mid-October, that kind of time, we've had a good pullback in equity markets and have made some good trades to the long side. Now we have turned red, and we are fighting with those moving averages that you can see, and we've got a red PTS to the downside. So we're looking for a short, for the next, I'd probably say 7-8 days or something like that on the way down. So that's something that we're definitely going to be keeping an eye on. Looks like it started off really nicely from the first candle. So currently in decent profit there on that. Now, the harder one for me, just personally, is the FTSE 100, because the FTSE 100, that pullback that I was just talking about, regardless on the S&P 500 is a lot stronger. So the PTS is just turning red, so we are yellow at the moment. It hasn't closed and confirmed today's one, but the storyteller is red, and we haven't turned over for that momentum trigger. So I'm holding off this one because basically the power of this move up was a lot higher than it was in the S&P 500. So I'm not sold on the short on the FTSE 100, but on the S&P 500, I'm more bearish from there. So there are my ideas on the equity markets. Moving over to commodities, obviously something that we do love to trade is crude, and we have absolutely smashed this market. And if you want to look at an idea of how the last trigger that I spoke about in the S&P 500 works, this is the place to do it. So this short on our Sunday night club, swing trading club, that kind of kicked in at about this price level here. So this was about 8455, around that. Now, not only did this trade work because we just turned red, so red, and we had a red PTS short as well. So that trade worked, but not only that, we've come up and we've hit a second trade, and we also had a trend predictor short in the middle as well. So, altogether within this little downtrend here, we've got 3 really good trades, all of which are profitable. This new one has already hit target number 2. Potentially we're looking for target number 3, but we've got the $70 per barrel level beforehand as well. So good quality short trades, really nice market. And this is what potentially it could look like, that S&P 500 trade, because it's such a similar signal, making lower highs, lower lows, really strong pullback, nice red candle, red, like the S&P 500, and a good short. Trading can be that simple. You've just got to follow the rules. It's looking really good. Gold, that had a strong move higher, you can see here, and again from the day it turned green, pushed up higher low. That's the one there. I'm going to draw a little circle around it so you can see. This one here was the most recent new PTS. So entry, you can see roughly 1786, around there, and then stop losses around there. And the trade is currently running, and it's doing well, looking like it's heading towards the upside. So that looks pretty nice as well. So really simple trade. Obviously, I want this to turn green again, because we had a few greens, but then it turned red. I want to see it turn green again. Hopefully by the time this candle closes, if it closes positive, that's going to be a possibility. So they're the 2 in the commodities markets that I've been looking at. Just some of the majors. Let's go to euro-dollar in FX. Similar scenario, moving to an uptrend, new PTS long, green, looking really good. That's been a lovely one. And it's ever since it turned, heavily green, which has been around here, it's been performing really nicely. So that's excellent. And then I'm gonna just cover Kiwi. So NZDUSD, again, perfect example of a really nice bullish momentum move. So nice momentum trigger back here, all green candles. If it's green, it's good. It's a color coded system, so you can't get it wrong. Nice move up and a really good few profitable trades on there. So all in all, really nice week next week. Hopefully we can see if the oil markets continue to go short, if we can see the S&P 500 can continue to go short. I'm obviously avoiding the FTSE 100 like a plague. And I also just want to see if if euro-dollar and Kiwi continue on this path to the upside as well, because the momentum has been really good. So I'm hoping we continue with that. So good luck. If you have any questions, please let us know. We've got some great things coming up for 2023, like our Funded Account Academy, Swing Trading Academy, another Day Trading Academy as well. The PTC program obviously is also doing really well as well. So just get in touch with us if you want to learn anything else, or you got any questions about any of our offerings for 2023. That's the year, you got to ask yourself, do you want 2023 to be the year that things are going to turn around for you? You've got to push and make that effort to learn something for next year. So give us a shout. Let us know if you've got any questions. Let us know. Speak to you soon.